National Weather Service in Des Moines has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Marshall County in central Iowa, southwestern Black Hawk County in northeastern Iowa, Tama County in central Iowa, southeastern Grundy County in central Iowa, until noon. At 11:08 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Beeman to 5 miles east of Darwin to 4 miles west of Chelsea, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, Marshalltown Airport reported a wind gust of 59 miles per hour at 10:57 a.m. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Marshalltown, Toledo, Tama, LaPorte City, Hudson, Traer, Rhinebeck, Dysart, Conrad, Meskwaki Casino, Gladbrook, LeGrand, Garwin, Chelsea, Montour, Cloutier, Elberon, Beeman, Lincoln, and Green Mountain. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until noon for the following counties in Iowa: Black Hawk, Grundy, Marshall, and Tama.